Hey Brett, it's Rachel. We chatted a little bit last week and it was a great conversation. I really appreciated the humor that you have and the jokes that you kind of set me off on my day with. It really brightened my whole day. It was wonderful. And so just like we kind of talked about over the phone, I'm just going to give you some tips here, help improve your website. This stuff is just going to help you rank on Google, and it's designed to help you start working on your business instead of in your business, which I know is your short-term and long-term goal. So let's get started. All right, so I've got your website up here. I like your logo right up here at the top. Contact number. As soon as clients click on your website, they can see that. That's great. We've got services, that kind of stuff right up here at the top, which is nice. A little bit about 123 Electric is always great. Your services again, and you can always bump those up right here just so they're even closer to the top of the page for when clients come on here. But this is great. Coming down, we got some testimonials and reviews, wonderful, a video. And down here in the footer, we've got different ways for your clients to get in touch with you and stay in touch with you. That's wonderful too. But what Google really cares about is content, and they want to see you sitting at about 1,500 to 2,000 words of quality content on your home page. Now, in addition to this content, Google really wants you to have buyer intent keywords sprinkled throughout. And one of those buyer intent keywords can be Electrician Bellevue. Now, this is something that people are going to type into Google when they're searching for your services. And so when I look for this particular keyword on your homepage, it's not found at all. So we want to up that content. We want to get that keyword sprinkled in there. And you can do this in different kind of ways. You can add something right here that just says 123 electric service, the electrician Bellevue loves. That's an easy way to get that in there. And what happens is Google sends crawlers through your website looking for these keywords when people are typing them into Google. And if you have words that match what those people are typing in, Google's going to see your website as relevant to what they need, and it's going to start to bring you up higher. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about is backlinks. And think of backlinks as a shout out from another website. So Google's similar to a popularity contest, and it really wants to see other websites giving you those shout outs, giving you those backlinks, vouching for you, saying that you're relevant and trustworthy. But Google also needs to make sure that the websites that are giving you those shout outs are relevant and trustworthy as well. So if you have, let's say, a backlink from Pizza Hut, it's not going to hold as much power because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. Now, the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There's obviously other free things out there that you can use. So I've gone ahead and put you into Ahrefs, and what I've got here, we're just going to quickly chat about your UR and DR. So your UR rating is your trust rating, and your DR rating is your power rating with Google. And we want these numbers to be pretty close. So your trust rating is much higher than your power rating. And these are influenced by your backlinks, and your backlinks come from these referring domains. Now, I've also put in one of the top competitors in Bellevue, which is Prime Electric. And as we can see, their trustworthy rating is 37, their power rating is 25. That's a lot closer. So we know that their backlinks are pretty relevant, pretty trustworthy. These could be closer, but it's coming from these 226 referring domains. So what you can do is you click into these domains, and then you just go and you get yourself added to these exact same domains, because if these are helping them rank, they're going to help you rank as well. And that's just simply done by, sometimes you just have to register an account, sometimes you just email the account owner, sometimes there is a monthly fee, but it's worth it because having these backlinks helps rank you organically and helps bring in that organic traffic. And so this is 1.2 thousand people that are viewing their website per month, which is bringing them in actual money. And so we can see for yours, we've got about 19 people viewing your website per month. So we really want to get that up. Now, the other thing that you can do is check out their organic keywords as well. And you can find keywords that maybe you don't have in different phrases that are high volume, and you can get those added to your website as well. And now when we talk about ranking organically, what we're talking about is right here. And so as we can see, we've got Prime Electric up here. We don't have them down here at all, so that's a good sign. That's going to be pretty easy to beat out. You are on the second page of Google, which is better than most places, but a lot of people stop right here and right here because they want the best of the best. And if you're rated in one of these 3 positions, that lets people know that you're the best. And so we'll get you ranking organically. You'll show up right here. And then the last thing that we're going to talk about is this area called the local map pack or Google My Business. And how you get here is having a GMB profile, a Google business profile, having it filled out all the way. So address, phone number, hours, the about information, pictures, and then citations. And so what I would do, obviously make sure your profile's filled out all the way, and then find out where your competitors have their citation listed. And a citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. And those directories include things like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, stuff like that. So find out where your competitors are listed and get yourself added to those exact same directories, and then go above and beyond that. And if they're in 150 directories, get yourself in 200, 250 directories and really blow them out of the water. Now we can also get you ranking up here for these Google ads. You just have to outbid your competitors for that specific keyword. And so you could be number 1 here, number 1 here in the map pack, and number 1 here organically. And that's going to let all your customers know that you're relevant, you're trustworthy, and it's going to bring you more business. All right, so just a quick recap. We'll want to up this content 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. We want to sprinkle in more buyer intent keywords so that when Google's crawlers are reading, it's going to read all of those keywords that we've got, and it's going to start ranking us higher. We want to increase our backlinks. We want to increase our trust and power rating. And then lastly, we want to make sure that our business profile is filled out all the way and we've got our citation in as many places as we can to beat out our competitors. Okay, Brett, that's all I've got for you. I look forward to chatting with you more, and I would absolutely love some feedback on this video. Thank you.